process automation. It's a term that you're hearing about in business journals, on podcasts, or reading online in blogs. But what really is it? Process automation is one of Microsoft's 6 lines of businesses. Within our process automation line of business, we cover robotic process automation, intelligent document processing, task mining, and web scraping. The term that I find most people struggle with is robotic, or bot, because they think of a physical robot that's moving and doing mechanized activities. But in fact, that's not the true performance of a bot. What it is a software program that is interacting and working with other software programs to make your business more efficient. These software programs are very powerful. Some of the leaders in the market today are UiPath, Blue Prism, Automation Anywhere, just to name a few. And these are very user-friendly interface. If you think of a workflow diagram with lines and boxes, it works the exact same way, where you can drag and drop various tasks so the bot will know where to perform it and know the tree logic of how to interact with the software. But the question that most organizations have when they talk to me about process automation is, where can I start it? What are the best processes for us to look at? And so I turn that question around and say, where are you using Excel? Where are you doing things every month or every week or every day the exact same way? And it tends to be customer service, financial activities, HR, payroll, marketing, sales. Each of these have elements that are highly repetitive in nature and are using software programs, very typically Excel. And so what these software programs do is they actually watch how a human interacts with the software, and it mimics these exact same steps. And why do you really want that to happen? Is it, first off, increases productivity, because the bot can be available 365 days a year. So Saturday at 3 a.m., if a customer interacts with your bot, they get the exact same experience as they do 2 o'clock on a Wednesday afternoon. So it's increased productivity because it's available all the time, much, much faster and highly repetitive. It's also much more efficient because it performs the quality of the task the exact same way every single time, without regard to how it's feeling that day, how it's interacting with the customer. So the task is performed flawlessly every single time. So this gives you higher productivity, lower costs, which frees up your employees to do more highly cognitive activities, which adds value to your organization. So if you want to learn more about process automation and robotic process automation, read our blogs, read our white papers, but most importantly, contact Macrosoft. Let's work together to identify a pilot project that we can implement on your site that'll improve your productivity and demonstrate the value and the return on investment that robotic process automation can be used for your organization. We look forward to your call, and we look forward to working together. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.